A 1.6% increase is expected in Bitcoin Cash by August 18, per Gov Capital. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. Bitcoin Cash has posted a gain of 0.7% over the past day and sits near $204.70. Time to explore what analysts foresee. CoinLore expects the price to fall toward $202.75 by August 18th, marking a loss of 1%. Bitcoin Cash could trend downward to $203.15 according to Traders Union, about 0.8% down. 30 rates highlights the outlook for dropping to $204, a potential decrease of 0.3%. Another outlook from Gov Capital indicates Bitcoin Cash might push higher toward $207.95, about 1.6% higher. To conclude crypto, predictions projects $208.56 by tomorrow. That's 1.9% above where the price is now. This stands as the most lucrative forecast. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. Based on current forecasts, we might see changes from a decline of 1% to a rise of 1.9%. As a result, crypto predictions shows the highest projected return with 1.9% gain in value by August 18. Ultimately, you could earn between $3 and $19 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility perspective, 30 rates' forecast holds a 80.6% probability of accuracy. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. Consensus modeling places Bitcoin Cash nearly unchanged at approximately $205.28. Let's explore the breakdown. The consensus view places the price 0.3% higher than current levels. At that same percentage level, your capital could also experience growth. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $3 more. According to the analysis, the chance of the consensus scenario playing out is around 80.6%. This time, let's see how analysts outline the likely path of the market for the next 3 days. A drop is expected by CoinLore, reinforcing the downside view. According to likewise Traders Union, the market is likely to trend downward. Additionally, 30 rates points to further weakness. Gov Capital notes that Bitcoin Cash appears set to push higher. The scenario from crypto predictions also shows the price climbing. The consensus outlook shows Bitcoin Cash remaining flat across this 3-day horizon. Altogether, 60% of forecasts point toward Bitcoin Cash trending lower in the short term. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Let's compare them with the actual numbers. As a result, the market wrapped up at $204. In this case, the majority of analysts got the move correct. CoinLore stood out with the sharpest prediction. Now let's set it in order. Out of all 5, just one forecast was within the range. Looking at ROI, several forecasts delivered gains, and CoinLore came out on top with 1.4%. Here's the full overview with every analyst's performance side by side. As seen in today's data, Traders Union delivered 1.1% ROI and $1.35 accuracy. Look across the results. Who do you think performed the best overall? Let's check how tomorrow's projected gains line up for Bitcoin Cash and a few selected assets. Bitcoin Cash doesn't take first place here since Graham leads with unexpected gain of 10.8%. This is just a preview with 5 cryptocurrencies, and extended comparisons across many assets are already online on my website. And if you enjoyed the mix of different analyst views, give this video a like and subscribe for the next one. See you next time.